Alright guys, so here's the 2024 Chevy Trax Activ trim. As you can see, it almost looks like a mini Blazer, in my opinion. Looks very sporty. You got the all white, everything blacked out with the sunroof. It has 18-inch gloss black wheels. A lot bigger than the previous model Trax. The previous year, I should say. You got the dark trim down here, dark chrome trim. No power liftgate. Just manual, but super light, super assisted still. Cargo cover, lots of room back here. No trailer hitch on these, and I don't even think it's an option. But yeah, super nice. I'm gonna show you guys the inside real quick. The door panel, super clean, nice textured print here. Yellow stitching. Got the blacked out bow tie. Very sporty looking steering wheel and shifter knob. These vents are nice too, almost like the Camaros or Blazers now. They got the Activ trim, yellow stitching. Very nice, comfortable seats. As we get in, here's the inside, the gauge cluster. We got all this stuff, wireless Apple CarPlay, traction control. We got Wi-Fi hotspot. These are all your gauges, fuel economy, maintenance, all that type of stuff. Like I said, it does have wireless Apple CarPlay, it's just not connected at the moment. We got the wireless charging pad, single zone climate, heated seats. We do have the heated steering wheel as well, forward collision assistance, auto start stop, off button, lane keep assist. Got a decent amount of room, decent amount of storage. We got that same textured pattern over here on the passenger side. Like I said, we do have the sunroof as well, not huge, but it's decent sized. So view of the back seat, plenty of room back there. Lots and lots of room, which I was very surprised about with it being a smaller vehicle. I'm gonna move it to the back seats here. We don't have a pocket here, but that's all right. We got one on the passenger side over there with charging here, little storage, no air vents, which I mean it's fine. There's plenty of airflow, which I've noticed in this vehicle, so it's not really an issue. There's no cup holder armrest here as well. It was kind of weird for me, but the floor is flat. If you guys have, I mean, I got some blankets and stuff there right now, but the floor is actually completely flat, which is really nice. Then you do have the cargo cover back there as well. I'm gonna get in to kind of show you guys how much room is back here. So I'm 6 foot, and I mean I got plenty of room back here. Head not even close to the ceiling. I got at least an inch or two. And it's very nice back here. Plenty of room. Like I said, for this type of vehicle, this type of MPGs it's getting and all that, you can't beat it for the price. I think we got this one after all discounts from around $25,000 out the door. This is the highest trim package they have available. But yeah, that's our review of our 2024 Chevy Trax. Hope you guys liked it. Thanks. Alright guys, so here we have the point of view for the 2024 Chevy Trax. As you can see, we have the digital speedometer. There's not much customization to really do to this screen, but I mean it's a very clean digital display. And then we also have the digital display over here. I'm not sure on the exact size, I believe it's like 11 something. It has the full wireless Apple CarPlay. All your gauge stuff is over here instead of over here for some reason. Yeah, it has fuel economy, gauges, maintenance, traction control, all that type of stuff. All these gauges for like battery voltage, oil life, tire pressure.
It's not function. And then down here.
Yeah, the Wi-Fi hotspot, all that type of stuff. And then we have the single zone climate control, which is still fine. Auto start stop, lane keep assist, and we also have the forward collision and heated steering wheel, all that good stuff on here. Heated seats as well. But alright, let's go ahead and get started with a little point of view for this car. You can see she's very excited for this video. I mean, super clean trans, you can't even feel it shift. Just great voice, great gas mileage. Sorry about the little one in the back. She's excited we're going to the park right now. But yeah, super clean driving vehicle. And brakes work great. Gas, plenty of power to get the speed. I mean, it's not going to race anybody or anything like that, but it's not what the car is meant for. How much just went for the clutch? Alright. Yeah, right now we're driving city, which we're getting like 28 mpg or so. Supposedly. We haven't really fully calculated that. The car still only has 500 miles on it. Excuse me, not using the blinker at the moment. I forgot the headband, so I'm driving with one hand right now. Why would they put that bush right there? You know, they just put a big bush right here.
I know, I can't
even see what I'm doing. Alright, we gotta go now. Alright, I'll give it a little bit so you guys can see. I mean, it puts you back in your seat. It's not a race car, but you feel it throw you back with the little mini turbo that's on it. Definitely a lot faster than the Chevy Cruze that we had with technically a bigger motor. And also still a turbo. That thing would whoop that thing in a race. We should actually do a 0 to 60 on this set sometime.
Oh yeah, we should.
That'd be a cool video to do. There's not too many people here. I'm just gonna pull it in. Alright, but yeah guys, that's a little quick point of view video. Hope you guys liked. If you guys liked it, please like our videos and subscribe. There will be lots of more great content. Thank you.